Hello there, everybody. This is Captain Dennis with Squalus Marine, and we are back at it again in 2021. It's been a rough couple of months. But anyways, we're back at it again. Today we're going out to the eastern part of the Sound, and it's kind of the middle. But there's a wreck that we went to, and this is called the Other Side. The other wreck we went to was so big that we're going to go to the other side of it because we never filmed it. So we're down here. It's pretty big. It's like 250 feet long, blah, blah, blah. But one side's got boilers and an engine, and this has got something funky, and we went to go take a look-see. So we are out here. This is the second dive of the year, so it is fun. Anyways, we're down here on the super soft mud, and you'll see in a minute what I mean and why that's a problem. There's a little bit of a current because of the topography. You can see that line there that was made by the anchor. And you can see what it does is it goes boop, 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 and it makes all this stuff go. It kind of looks like a road here, but that's because the anchor chain first landed there, and then the boat hooked, and then it got tight and moved over there. So we are pretty darn close to where we wanted to be. So there's the anchor, and there's the anomaly. So we're going to go dive, and it's got a lot of murder warp on it, so that's kind of cool. But we're going to move slowly, and this is probably a donkey boiler if it's in the bow. Ooh, they've been drinking. A lot of current in this area, so a lot of stuff gets caught on this. So even with a half moon, it's not a super strong tide, but it's enough in the neighborhood to make it sporty. This isn't for everybody, but if we keep a wide berth and stay away from the rope and don't get crazy, we should be okay. I'm sure there's something really cool under the rope, but we're not chopping it up today. This was sticking out of the mud. It was probably part of the ship, which is probably buried. And we're still moving into the current, heading east. And we've got some more big giant pieces of debris. And we're just looking around. There's some blackfish in there. They don't like the lights. And more garbage. A lot of plastic and stuff like that. And we're coming around the corner, and I think this is the end of it. But, you know, anything that's kind of up off the surface or the bottom, it catches everything when there's a lot of current. So that's why you got all these ropes and lines and warp. And this was kind of cool, so we decided to film this. If you see anything that looks like you know what it is, feel free to shoot us an email. Here's with the lights off. This is at 40 feet, so it's not super deep. And we've hit some pretty good ambient light. Water's still kind of cold. You can see those hydroids. They like it when it's 50, but when it's 60, not so much. But this could be bow post. I don't know. It's a pretty big bow post if it is. But I'm suspecting that this is the bow. Not sure. Could be a capstan. Couldn't really tell. But there's all kinds of junkola caught in between. A dead fish, murder. Some other stuff protruding from the mud. This kind of gives you an idea what the current's like. Put the camera down. So it's oh, look, Guinness. So at least they were drinking good stuff. This is a little bit under the mud. You can see this is what the wooden hull looks like. All that's from worms. This is the worms in the Sound that like to eat wood. They just go to town. And here we are. I didn't really film a lot of it because it was kind of cloudy, but we started cutting off the line and throwing it backwards to kind of clean it off and make heads or tails out of it. But we did it forward so that it would go down current and not catch your favorite neighborhood scuba diver in it. But this is, I believe, forward of the bow, or forward of the boat. And if we spend some time here, we can maybe cut some of this line away and get rid of it. But you can see next time we come, it'll be cleaner. So we'll take another look-see on the ground. Don't see anything great. No plates, no gold bars, no cell phones, no Ray-Bans. So we're going to make our way back up to the boat. We hope you enjoyed diving with us today on the other side. If you thought this was great, you should check out our other 164 dives on SquallousMarine.com or Squallows Marine Divers on YouTube or Squallows Marine on Instagram. That's where all the hilarity ensues. So as long as folks keep watching, we'll keep making them, and it's a good time. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. We don't make any money, but we're real good at spending it. Thanks for sticking with us through 2020 and 2021. We made some upgrades. It's going to be pretty cool. So Squallows Marine, tell your friends, tell your enemies, tell whoever you want. Just tell them. Until next time, I'm Captain Dennis.